Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between cash flow and fund flow in a simple and easy-to-understand way. Both concepts are important in accounting and financial management because they help businesses analyze liquidity, working capital, and overall financial performance. Let's understand the major differences one by one. Number 1. Cash flow refers to the inflow and outflow of cash in a business, whereas fund flow refers to the inflow and outflow of funds or working capital. Number 2. Cash flow focuses on the actual movement of cash, whereas fund flow focuses on the movement of all financial resources. Number 3. Cash flow is a narrower concept, whereas fund flow is a broader concept. Number 4. Cash flow includes only cash and cash equivalents, whereas fund flow includes both cash and non-cash items. Number 5. Cash flow is generally prepared on a cash basis, whereas fund flow may be prepared using both cash and accrual concepts. Number 6. Cash flow helps in understanding liquidity and solvency position, whereas fund flow helps in understanding the overall financial position. Number 7. Cash flow mainly focuses on short-term liquidity, whereas fund flow focuses on long-term financial performance and working capital. Number 8. Cash flow is prepared from cash book records and cash transactions, whereas fund flow is prepared from financial statements and balance sheet data. Number 9. Cash flow statement shows changes in cash during a period, whereas fund flow statement shows changes in working capital during a period. Number 10. Cash flow contains cash inflows and cash outflows, whereas fund flow contains sources and applications of funds. Number 11. Cash flow does not adjust for non-cash expenses like depreciation, whereas fund flow considers non-cash and non-operating items. Number 12. Cash flow is useful for analyzing the ability to meet short-term obligations, whereas fund flow is useful for analyzing long-term financial stability. Number 13. Cash flow is mainly used by creditors and management for liquidity analysis, whereas fund flow is widely used by investors and analysts for financial performance evaluation. Number 14. Cash flow gives information about cash availability, whereas fund flow gives information about changes in working capital. Number 15. Cash flow example includes cash received from customers and cash paid to suppliers, whereas fund flow example includes depreciation, prepaid expenses, and outstanding liabilities. So, these were the key differences between cash flow and fund flow. Understanding these concepts helps businesses and investors make better financial decisions and improves financial planning and control. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.